Hey guys, in this video we will look at the best air mattress for everyday use in the market. So, if you are looking to buy one, then this video is for you. Please check out the description below and all of our products that we've included with their respective buy links. At number 1. Bissell 3624 Spot Clean. King Coil is a well-reputed brand, known for producing different mattresses that are durable and comfy. The perfect queen air mattress for everyday use is no exception and is considered one of the best inflatable airbeds on the market. You will love this inflated mattress if you are just looking for something to sleep on as you get settled in your new home. It's also an excellent choice for camping. Unlike other mattresses of this kind, the King Coil features a soft flocking layer and an inbuilt pillow. Better yet, you don't have to wait for too long to use it as it takes minutes to inflate. Users with this mattress say it gets ready in less than 3 minutes. There is a full year guarantee, so you can rest assured that your investment is safe. The mattress is 20 inches thick, with an elevated design that feels just like sleeping on a traditional mattress. The manufacturer used a deep compression that can support up to 600 pounds of weight. It has a high-capacity inbuilt 120V pump, which is handy to deflate and inflate the mattress. It is easily portable, although a few users said that the pump is quite big and may not fit well in the carry bag even after folding. This mattress also has an extra thick top that is buttery soft. It is completely water-resistant, a feature you need when it rains during camping. This is quite reassuring, but it's always advisable to place some form of padding beneath. Having an extra layer of protection is never a bad idea. Do you like sleeping with pillows? This air mattress by King Coil will meet your needs. It is solidly built and has a contoured surface so that you can sleep comfortably. What's more, it is queen size, and thus can accommodate 2 people. The solid nature of the frame as well as the durable nature of the surface makes it one of the best mattresses for everyday use. We can recommend it too. At number 2. Sound Asleep Dream Series Air Mattress. The Sound Asleep Air Mattress is a durable mattress that has been designed for home use, although it can also be used for camping trips. It is a queen-size mattress that fully inflates at 78 by 58 by 18 inches. It offers a remarkable height, which makes it feel like a real bed. The mattress features comfort coil technology that involves 40 inbuilt coils that ensure the mattress can sustain your weight. Its deflation is easy because it comes with a 120 VAC internal pump system that is easy to use. Its dual smart pump technology ensures firmness in a few minutes. Also, it deflates quickly for storage in its carry bag. The company also added a cool grip on the bottom side to prevent the mattress from slipping. The outer material is durable and quilted to make it puncture resistant. It has been constructed with a foldable PVC plastic that's durable. However, people who can't stand off-gassing may want to choose an alternative. Luckily, you don't have to break a bank to own it because the Airbed is incredibly affordable. For the value you get, it's a great choice. This is another durable mattress reserved for home use, but can also be great for camping trips. The queen-sized nature of this mattress as well as its remarkable height makes it feel like a real bed. It is very comfortable to sleep on and features a foldable design for easier storage. This makes it great for people with limited space. At number 3. Instabed Raised Mattress. The Instabed mattress is a dual-pump 18-inch air mattress with high weight capacity support. It might not be the same as a traditional mattress, but it has numerous fancy features that make it comfortable. One of its main features is a never-flat pump that silently maintains a consistent air pressure so that you get a deep sleep. As mentioned earlier, it has 2 pumps to control and maintain the pressure inside the mattress. The main pump helps inflate and deflate the air mattress when you need to sleep or store it. The good news is the installation is easy in less than 5 minutes. It also comes with the auto-shut feature that prevents the pump from overinflating or damage. The second pump is the never-flat pump that monitors air pressure and ensures a continuous level of firmness throughout the night. This way, the mattress doesn't sag or lose pressure. Besides, you can use the knob to adjust the firmness starting with plush to extra firm. The mattress has been made using a PVC material, which is known to be piece-resistant. The inside of the mattress features coils, which are well made to extend the airbed lifespan. The base features a slip-resistant material to ensure you stay without slipping. Most reviewers agree that the mattress provides a comfortable experience. With high weight capacity, we can recommend this airbed for plus-size couples. It has numerous fancy features including a second pump that ensures it doesn't deflate as well as PVC construction for durability. What makes this mattress stand out is its comfortable nature. It is a great buy for the money. At number 4, Lasery Sleep Airbed. Since its arrival in 2015, the Lasery Sleep Air mattress has had everything to compete with some of the top-rated models today. Despite having a low price tag, the mattress feels comfortable and durable. If you are looking for a spare bed for your home, this one might be your ideal choice. It is well reviewed mainly because of how users find it easy to use, inflate and deflate. It can be ready within minutes courtesy of its powerful electric pump. The mattress can expand to an ideal firmness in 4 minutes. To prevent being overinflated, there is an auto shut-off feature that automatically turns off the pump when the pressure is enough. The Lasery Sleep Airbed stands 19-inch from the ground for comfort and convenience. It incorporates 40 air coils, which ensure even weight distribution. The mattress has a capacity to hold up to 500 pounds, and you can also adjust the firmness to meet your comfort needs. It's one of the few mattresses that offer remote control, offering 7 firmness settings. This is a handy feature for people who are dealing with aches and back pains. The company offers a 1-year satisfaction guarantee, which means you can return the mattress if you are not satisfied with its performance. Looking for an affordable air mattress that has the quality and feel of a regular bed? Then this Sleep Airbed by Lasery will suit your needs. It can hold an average-weighted couple and offers great comfort. At number 5, Intex Raised Downy Airbed. Intex is a famous brand and the maker of pools and air mattresses. If you need a mattress from a reputable company, this is one of the largest makers. The Intex Raised Airbed can last as long as a traditional mattress if you take good care of it. This 22-inch air mattress takes 60-inch by 80-inch area and can hold up to 600 pounds. The mattress is constructed from sturdy vinyl beams at the top and 15 gauges on the sides. The top is waterproof in case of spills on it. It is easy to deflate it using a double-quick hand pump that works quickly. Although the electric pump makes inflation time longer, it makes this airbed more portable and versatile. The sides of the mattress are indented to ensure it fits snugly without slipping away when you roll over the bed. Intex also includes 2 inflatable pillows to ensure a restful sleep when camping. When the bed is fully deflated, it is easy to move around by putting it inside a duffel bag that is part of the package. It takes a few minutes to deflate, roll up, pack, and store. This mattress uses innovative dual-chamber technology for balance. The 2-chamber construction also ensures that it doesn't deteriorate fast. The top is flocked with a soft surface that promises a good night's sleep. A flocked top is also easy to wipe clean. If you just need something simple and comfy, this could be what works for you. The sides are indented so that it becomes easier to fit the sheets. This Intex model doesn't leak because the built-in pump maintains the firmness. Made by a famous brand, you can rest assured that Intex Raised Downy Airbed. Although it lacks an automatic inflation pump, this airbed is great for people on a budget. As per many users' reviews, this mattress is very comfortable thanks to its plush surface. We hope you loved the video and please tell us which products we should review next in our comment section. Thank you for spending time on our video. Please remember that there are links in the description of all products shown today.